This video is about Tigaon Handicraft, maker of ships in battle. Production of quality ship in battle started since 1983 and is still in operation up to these days. Tigaon Handicraft is in Tigaon, Camarines Sur, which is 425 kilometers south of Manila. Raw materials are sourced out locally and some materials are imported from Germany. Tigaon Handicraft is organized as a family business. Some workers employed since the beginning are still working with us. Ship hulls are casted from resins. Silicone molds are also made at Tigaon Handicraft. Ship and battle kits are also produced for those who wanted to try to insert the ship by themselves. The ocean is made of glass putty. Thermostat controlled dryer is being used to minimize moisture content inside the bottle. Workers are mostly housewives within the neighborhood.
Taas maganturog ko.
Ship in bottles are designed by Eugen Binikowski from Hamburg, Germany. We are producing more than 200 ship models, which is available from 10cc bottle to 5 liters. The ships in bottle are exported to Japan, USA, and Germany. Since the launch of our website www.bicolshop.com, sales in the Philippines are increasing.